Yeah, hello students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 7. Chapter number 7, that is fraction. Now students, these are our learning objectives. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Aman and his three friends bought a cake. They divided into 1 plus 3 equal parts. 1 plus 3 means 4 equal parts. Aman put the cake in a plate on the table. He took a knife and cut the cake into 4 equal parts. अब अमन ने क्या किया है? Put the cake in a plate और उससे क्या कर दिया? 4 equal parts में उसको cut कर दिया. Now Aman and his three friends took one part each. When we divide one thing into 4 equal parts, we describe each part as by 4 written as 1/4. ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड फ्रैक्शन. हम किसी भी चीज को क्या करते हैं? इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं तो वो क्या होता है? हमारा फ्रैक्शन होता है. तो शेड 1/3 पार्ट मीन्स 1/3 पार्ट मीन्स 1 पार्ट ऑफ द पिक्चर. You can choose any color. Which one is your favorite? Okay, class. Now we have learned about fractional numbers, that is fraction, in previous class. Let us recall them. Some figures given below are divided into equal numbers of parts. Some parts of each figure are shaded. See, each figure are shaded. The fractional number for the shaded part is written below each figure. It is 1/4, 3/4, 4/8, 2/9, 6/16. Okay. Now come on the exercise 7.1. Write the fraction for shaded portion. Yes. Firstly, we have to count all the blocks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many are shaded? 3. 4. How many are shaded? 2. Rest of the parts, do yourself, class. Now, class, equivalent fractions. Mrs. Talwar ordered 3 pizzas for Simmi, Ginny and Rimi. Simmi had 1/2 of the pizza, Ginny had 2/4 and Rimi had 4/8 of the pizza. Now the question is who ate the most and who ate the least. अभी क्वेश्चन होता है कि किसने सबसे ज्यादा खाया और किसने सबसे कम पिज्जा खाया. Now from the picture we find that the fraction are different but the amount is the same. Each of them ate half pizza. Class C. अब इनका क्या था? अमाउंट तो डिफरेंट थी. क्या? सी. फ्रैक्शंस आर डिफरेंट बट द अमाउंट इज द सेम. फ्रैक्शन क्या था? डिफरेंट बट अमाउंट क्या है? उनकी सेम है. सी, हाफ पिज्जा ही तो खाया है उन्होंने. ओके, बट उनका फ्रैक्शन क्या था? डिफरेंट था. नाउ सिंस 1/2, 2/4, 4/8 indicate the same part of the pizza, we say that these fractions represent the same amount. Okay. Now, two or more fractions that represent the same amount fractions are called equivalent fractions. Okay. Represent the same amount. Okay. So 1/4, 2/4, 4/8 are equivalent fractions, each being equivalent to 1/2. See, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So all are equal to 1/2. Okay, now come on the exercise 7.2. Now look at the color part and fill in the blanks. Now see, 2/3. It is 2/3 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 4, 6. Both are equivalent. Okay. Now see, it is 1/2 and it is 2/4. Again, both are equivalent. Okay. Now rest of the parts, do yourself, class. Finding equivalent fraction. We have just seen that 1/2, 2/4, 4/8 are equivalent fraction. If we observe carefully, we can see that if we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2, we get 2/4. Okay. Now also we divide numerator and denominator of 4/8 by 2, we get 2/4. So we have the following method for finding equivalent fraction of a given fraction. Okay, class. Now to find an equivalent fraction, multiply the numerator and denominator of the fraction by the same non-zero number. By the same non-zero number. To find an equivalent fraction, divide the numerator and denominator of the fraction by the same non-zero number, which is the factor of both. Okay. Now, in order to get more than one equivalent fraction for a given fraction, we can build equivalent fraction through multiples. Through किसके through? Multiples के through. To do so, we find the required number of multiples of the numerator and denominator and arrange them as fraction. The equivalent fraction obtained by division are termed as lower order equivalent fraction. Which order? Lower order. Now, example number 1, find an equivalent fraction of 2/3. We multiply the numerator and denominator of 2/3 by 2. So 2 2 are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4, 6 is an equivalent fraction of 2/3. Now hence a lower order equivalent fraction 25/30. क्लास अब हम उसको ऐसे टेबल से डिवाइड करेंगे जिसमें कॉमन हो, मीन्स ये दोनों डिजिट उस टेबल में आती हो, दैट इज 5. We divide the numerator and denominator of 25/30 by 5. See, hence 5 6 is the lower order equivalent of 25/30 because 5 5 are 25, 5 6 are 30. Now class, find the equivalent fraction with a given numerator or denominator. Now fill in the blocks so as to make the statement true. हम इसको equal बनाना है. Okay class. Now the denominator 7 and 14 are given. We know that 14, 7 2s are 14. So multiply the numerator 4 by 2, that is 4 2s are 8. Means similarly like this. Now the given numerator as 8 and 23 means 8 3s are 24. So multiply the denominator 16 multiplied by 3, that is 48. Okay, because we have to make them equal. Now checking for equivalent fraction. To check whether the fraction are equivalent or not. अब हमें क्या करना होगा? चेक भी तो करना होगा अपना फ्रैक्शन कि हमारा आंसर इक्विवेलेंट है और या नहीं है. We cross multiply the fraction, that is numerator of one is multiplied by the denominator of the other and vice versa, means विपरीत. If the product come out to be equal to the fraction are equivalent, otherwise not. अगर हमारा प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? इक्वल होगा, मीन्स हमारा जो फ्रैक्शन है वो इक्विवेलेंट है, और अगर हमारा प्रोडक्ट इक्वल नहीं है मीन्स हमारा फ्रैक्शन इक्विवेलेंट नहीं है. We cross multiply 2/5 and 8/20 means 5 8s are 40 or 2 20s are 40. So means this is the product are same, hence 2/5 and 8/20 are equivalent fraction. Okay, we cross multiply 3/5, 6 9s, 60, 30 and 27. Hence the product are not equal. यहाँ पर product क्या हमारा equal नहीं है, तो are not equivalent fraction. These are not equivalent fraction. Come on the exercise 7.3. Fill in the boxes so as to make the statement true. Again we have to make them equal. 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 7 4s are 28, 21 4s are 84. Okay class, now students rest of the parts do yourself. Now find an equivalent fraction of 9/12 with numerator of 3. See class, numerator of 3 means numerator क्या होना चाहिए? 3 होना चाहिए. 9/12, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So we have to divide them by 3. See, find whether 6/5 is equivalent to 30/25 or not. See, 6/5 is equal to 30/25. हमें इसको चेक करना है. मीन्स हम इसको इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन 5 6 are 30, 5 5 are 25. See, both are equal. So yes, it is equal. Understand? Now reducing a fraction to its lowest form. Now consider the fraction 8/12. So हम उसको ऐसे टेबल से डिवाइड करेंगे और जब तक डिवाइड करेंगे जब तक वो अलग अलग नंबर से ना डिवाइड हो जाए. तक वो एक नंबर से डिवाइड हो जाए तब तक हम उसको डिवाइड करते रहेंगे. नाउ 2 4s are 2 6 are 12. नाउ 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. अगेन ये 2 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. इन दिस 2/3 न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर कैन नॉट बी. अब क्या होगा? 2 अपने टेबल से होगा, 3 अपने टेबल से होगा डिवाइड. कैन बी फर्दर डिवाइडेड बाय सेम नंबर, सो दैट इज 2 upon 3 is the lowest form of 8 by 12. In above example 8 by 12, 4 upon 6, that if we divide numerator and denominator of 8 by 12 by 4, which is the HCF. अब क्या है 4 क्या HCF of 8 and 12 we get the lowest form. हम डायरेक्ट उसको 8 upon 12 हमारी lowest form आ जाती है 8 upon 12 की. Now thus to reduce a given fraction, thus to reduce a given fraction to its lowest term, divide the numerator and denominator of the fraction by their HCF. Okay. Now reduce the fraction 32 upon 42 to their lowest form. Factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Factors of 48 are these. Now the HCF of 32 and 48 is 16. So divided 32 and 48 by 16, we get 2 by 3. 32, 16 to the 32, 16 to the 48. The HCF of 32 and 48 is this. Hence 2 upon 3 is the lowest form of 32 upon 48. Now come on the exercise 7.4. Fill in the blanks with fraction in the lowest form. 1 is done for you. Now 3 ours is day means 24. Now 3 upon 8, 3 upon 24. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. So that's why here is written 8 up, 1 upon 8. Now 8 hours is of the day means 24. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. Here is 1/3. Okay, now 6 months is of 1 year. 1 year means 12 months. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So that is 1 upon 2 of the 1 year. Okay, now students, rest of the parts do yourself. Class, do the questions very carefully. Okay. Types of frictions. There are different types of friction, like and unlike. Class, ऑब्जर्व द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. सी क्लास, यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर अलग है लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, सेम है. तो यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों ही अलग है. जिनका डिनोमिनेटर सेम होता है वो क्या होता है, लाइक फ्रैक्शन, और जिनका डिनोमिनेटर अलग होता है और न्यूमरेटर भी अलग होता है वो होते हैं अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन. ओके क्लास, in first all the fractions have same denominator, that is 7. Such type of fraction are called like fraction, as I told you. Now in second and third all the fraction have different denominator. Such type of fraction are unlike fractions. Okay, जिनके denominator same नहीं होते वो होते हैं unlike, और जिनका same होता है वो होता है like fraction. Now students, unit fraction. If the numerator of fraction is 1, it is called unit fraction. Numerator क्या होगा 1, so etc. are unit fractions. Now third, proper and improper fraction. The fraction with numerator smaller than the denominator called proper fraction. अब देखिए न्यूमरेटर क्या होगा, स्मॉलर होगा किससे, डिनोमिनेटर, सो वो क्या होता है, प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस होता है. द फ्रैक्शन विद न्यूमरेटर ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू बी डिनोमिनेटर आर कॉल्ड इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. अगर वो इक्वल है और उससे ग्रेटर है किससे, डिनोमिनेटर से, तो वो क्या होता है, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ठीक. Now mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. See, this is a mixed fraction. Whole number. This is a whole number. It is a proper fraction. Okay. Also, etc. are mixed fraction. Now conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now convert 1 upon 2 into improper fraction. First method. 1 upon 2 means 3 by 3, 3 by 3 or 1 by 3. Okay. Now the number of thirds altogether 3 by 3, 3 by 3, 3 by 3 means 7 upon 3. Now class, second method. Second method, usual method. Multiply the whole number by the denominator of the proper fraction. हम इसको multiply करेंगे. 3 2s are 6. Add the product to the numerator of the proper fraction. हम उसको क्या करेंगे, अब जो है इसमें हम ऐड कर देंगे, क्या जो ऊपर है हमारा, that is 6 plus 1 new numerator. So write the fraction with new numerator over the denominator, that is 7 upon 3. Shortly, we can write the above 3 steps as follow. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. That is denominator same, 7 plus 7 upon third. Now, example number 2, convert 4 5 by 7, 3 1 upon 8 into improper fraction. Again, we have to multiply 4, multiply by 7 plus 5, 33 upon 7, and again 8 multiplied by 3 plus 1, 25 upon 8. Come on the exercise 7.5. Now convert the following mixed fraction into improper fraction. Again, multiply 5 multiplied by 3 plus 1 upon 5, 5 plus 15 plus 1, 5 is equal to 16 upon 5. Okay, again 9 multiply by 5 plus 4 upon 9, 45, 9 5 is 45 plus 4 upon 9, 49 upon 9. Rest of the parts, do yourself that. Now conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Let us convert an improper fraction 11 upon 5 into mixed fraction. Okay class. Now the denominator 5 suggests that a unit should be divided into 5 parts. So okay, that is 11, 5 plus 5 plus 1. Now it suggested that 5 parts of 2 units are shaded, whereas only 1 part is shaded of the third unit. See, means it is 1 plus 1, 1 upon 5 means 2, 1 by 5. A short method dividing numerator by denominator. Divide the numerator of the improper fraction by its denominator, 5 to the 10. अब the quotient होगा 5 divisor or 1 remainder. On division we get a whole number 2 and 1 out of 5 parts remain. It shows that 2 1 by 3. 2 1 by 5. Cut 2 1 by 5. Now convert 7 by 14 and 20 by 16 into mixed fraction. On dividing 17 by 4, we get quotient 4 and remainder 1. So 4 units and 1 upon 4th units 4, 1 by 4. On dividing 20 by 6, we get quotient 3 and remainder 2. So it is 3, 2 upon 6 means 2 ones are 1, 2 threes are 6. So that is 3, 1 upon 3 answer. Now exercise 7.6, convert the following improper fraction into mixed fraction. ठीक, 5 को हम क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड कर देंगे 2 से. 2 2s are 4. अब हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है 2 और रिमाइंडर है 1, मीन्स क्वेश्चन 2 1 upon 2. Understand? Again we have to divide. Now class C, B part, 7 divided by 4, 4 1s are 4. Now remainder is 3, question is 1. Now quotient 1 3 by 4. Understood class? Rest of the parts do yourself. Yes class. Comparison of fractions. Now we have to compare the fractions. Compare of like fractions. Which one is greater? 3 upon 7 or 5 upon 7? Let us draw their diagrams. 3 upon 7 or 5 upon 7. So in the above figure, fraction 3 upon 7, 5 upon 7 are showing their shaded portion in two equal strips. In two equal strips, it is clear that shaded portion 5 upon 7 is greater than the shaded portion 3 upon 7. Okay, so 5 upon 7 is greater than 3 upon 7. Okay, hence we can say that if the denominator of two given fraction are alike, the fraction with greater numerator is greater than the fraction with smaller numerator. See, for example, this. Example, which one of the two is greater than the other? Now, since 7 is greater than 3, therefore, hence 7 upon 8 is greater 1. Hence 11, since 11 is greater than 10, therefore 11 by 30 is greater than 10 30. 11 by 13 is greater than 10 by 13, hence 11 13 is greater 1. Okay class. Now comparison of two fractions with the same numerator. Let us consider two fractions 5 upon 8, 5 upon 11. See class. In the above figure, first shows 5 upon 8, that is out of 8 portion, 5 portion are shaded in the strip. अब यहाँ पर 5 portion shaded है. In figure second, out of 11 portion, 5 portions are shaded in strip. We observe that the shaded portion is more in first strip, figure 1, that is 5 upon 8. ओके, यहाँ पर 8 में से 5 मीन्स 8 में से 5 से क्या है शेडेड, और यहाँ पर 11 में से 5 है, तो यानी कि यहाँ पर जो ज्यादा शेडेड पार्ट है 5 upon 8 का. वी कंक्लूड दैट इन अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन हैविंग सेम न्यूमरेटर greater the denominator, small the value of the fractional number, smaller the value of fractional number. Now 4 upon 13, 4 upon 15, 4 upon 17. Which one of the two is greater than the other? Now 5 upon 9, 5 upon 11. The numerator of all the fraction are same. Since 9 is smaller than 11, therefore 5 upon 9 is greater than 5 upon 11. Again 11 is less than 13, therefore 8 upon 11 is greater than 8 upon 13. Now comparison of two unlike fractions. Take two unlike fractions, say 5 upon 8 and 7 upon 10. To compare 5 upon 8 and 7 upon 8, we have to change them to like fraction. Now for this we have to find out the equivalent fraction of 5 upon 8, 7 upon 10 with the same denominator, and same denominator will be LCM of 8 and 10. The LCM of 8 and 10 is 40. So 8 divided by 45 and 40 divided by 10, 40 divided by 8, 5, 40 divided by 10, 4. So 5 5 is 25, 8 5 is 40, 7 4 is 28, 10 4 is 40. So now compare 25 upon 40, 28 upon 40. Now we know that greater the numerator, greater will be the fraction, that is 28 upon 40 is greater than 25 upon 40. We can write it 7 upon 10 or 5 upon 10. 7 upon 10 is greater than 5 upon 8. Shortcut method, in fractions 5 upon 8 and 7 upon 10 we multiply like this, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, और हम डिनोमिनेटर को क्या करेंगे, सेम करेंगे. देन 56, 50 और 56, तो जो बड़ा होगा हम उसको कर देंगे, सिंस 56 इज ग्रेटर देन 50, देयरफॉर 7 upon 10. Okay, now which fraction in each of the following pair of fraction is greater? Again find the LCM. अब LCM 63, अब उसको क्या करेंगे, हम सेम कर दिया हमने 63 और 63. नाउ कंपेयर 28 एंड 18 में, तो 28 बड़ा होता है क्लास, तो क्या होगा, 4 upon 9 इज ग्रेटर देन 2 upon 7. ऑन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन हम उसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. अब 45 और 56 क्लास. ओके, तो अब क्या होगा, 56 उससे क्या है, बड़ा है, मीन्स ग्रेटर है. सो 7 upon 15 again. Okay, comparison of mixed fraction and improper fraction. Compare these two. Compare a mixed fraction with an improper fraction. The mixed fraction is first convert into, हम mixed fraction को सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, improper fraction में convert करेंगे. Okay, which is this method which I told. 8 4 is 30, 2 plus 1 33 upon 8, so 33 upon 8 and 41 upon 8 both have the same denominator, so greater numerator will be the greater fraction. Since 31 is less than 41, therefore 41 upon 8 or this is greater. Okay, Now arrange the given fraction in ascending order. Find the सबसे पहले हम उसका LCM लेंगे 5, 9 and 3. तो LCM is 45. तो क्लास अब हम उसको क्या करेंगे, सेम बनाएंगे. क्या उनका डिनोमिनेटर क्या करेंगे, सेम बनाएंगे जैसे हमने यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई करके बनाया है. ओके. नाउ एज द डिनोमिनेटर आर इक्वल 35, 30, 27. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, पहले असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में 30, फिर 30 एंड 35. तो दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ऑल्सो अब उसको हम अपोजिट कर देते हैं और ये क्या होगा इसका डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ come on the exercise 7.7, the greater fraction. Now class C, greater fraction which जिसका डिनोमिनेटर ज्यादा होगा वही उसका ग्रेटर होगा. So this is greater. Now again this is greater. Rest of the parts do yourself. Now find the smaller one. C class, find the smaller fraction. Now question number 2. Question number 2, 3 by 5 and 6 by 8. Now class, firstly we have to make them equal. Now 3 multiplied by 8 and 5 multiplied by 8. Now 24, 40. Now 6 upon 8 multiplied by 5. 6 5s are 30 and 8 5s are 40. See, compare. Now compare them. 24, 5 40 and 30 by 40. Now 24 is lowest, so 3 by 5 is lowest. Okay class, answer. Now answer. Okay, now see class, B part 2, 3 by 4 and 4, 5 by 8. Now firstly mixed fraction को हम improper fraction में बनाएंगे क्लास. 2 by 2, 3 upon 4, so 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 11, 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. Now again 4, 5 upon 8, 3 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 5, 37 upon 8. Now class, we have to make them equal. We have to make them equal. Now multiply. Yes class, 11 multiplied by 8 and 4 multiplied by 8. Okay. Now again 37 multiplied by 4 and 11, 8 multiplied by 4. Okay class. Now 88, 8 4s are 32. Now 7 4s are 28, 148 upon 32. See which is lowest. So 8 upon 32 means 11 upon 4 is lowest. 11 upon 4 is answer. Understand class? Now rest of the parts do yourself. Now addition and like fraction. Find the sum of these. Okay. Now 3 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 1 upon 8. So we have, firstly we have to make them इक्वल. मीन्स अब हम यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है, 8 को सबके नीचे मीन्स 8 सभी के नीचे. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 upon 8. But 6 upon 8 is not the lowest term. So we divide the numerator and denominator by their HCF. So it is 3 upon 4. So the addition is the answer 3 upon 4 because 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now addition of unlike fraction. Now example, add 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 5. 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 5 are unlike fraction. We will first convert them into like fraction. हम क्या करेंगे, इनको like fraction में convert करेंगे क्लास. तो पहले क्या करेंगे, हम इनको multiply करेंगे. इससे इनके base denominator से 2 5s are 3 5s are. See, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Again 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. Now अब हम इनको क्या करेंगे, add करेंगे. Now हमने क्या किया, 2 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 upon 3, 1 1s are 1 3s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Now हमने इसको क्या किया, ऐड किया. जब इनका क्या हो गया, इक्वल हो गया. अब इन्हें एलसीएम लेके सी, मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 and 10, 5 8, 5 10s are 15. So LCM is 15, 15, 15. Now 13 upon 15. Understand? Come on the exercise 7.8. Yes class. Now add the following. See 7, 3 plus 1, equal to 4/7. Again base 8, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 8. Now 6 by 8 को हम क्या ले सकते हैं? 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. It is the lowest form of that fraction. Now rest of the parts do yourself class. Now subtraction of fraction, subtraction of like fraction, subtraction 5/8 from 7/8, subtract 5/8 from 7/8. अब हम क्या करेंगे? इनका क्या है? डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, सो 7 minus 5 2/8. बट ये इसके क्या है? लोएस्ट फॉर्म नहीं है, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So this is the answer. Okay. Now जो 8 क्या 2 क्या इनका एचसीएफ है, एचसीएफ है. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन. अब हम इनको क्या करेंगे? अगेन हम इनको क्या करेंगे? सेम बनाएंगे लाइक दिस. वी विल मल्टीप्लाई ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर. ओके. 10/15, 9/15. So answer is 10 minus 9, 1/5. Now come on the exercise 7.9. Now subtract 11c. अभी इनका डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, so 3 minus 2, 11/11. Again denominator same as 17, 5 minus 3, 2/17. Understand students? Rest of the parts do yourself. Now multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. We know that multiplication means repeated addition. Multiplication means क्या? Repeated addition. So 4 into 3, so 4 times 3 is equal to 12, or 3 4s are also 12. Now we can multiply a fraction and a whole number in the same way. 1 multiply 1/3, 1/3 plus हम क्या करेंगे? इसको 5 times प्लस कर देंगे. मीन्स 1 plus 1 plus 5 multiply by 1, 5/3. So that is 1 2/3. Now a whole number into a fraction, a whole number into numerator of fraction and denominator of the fraction. Okay class? C class. Now C class, yes. Multiply 3 3s are 9, 9/4. अब हम क्या करेंगे? 9 को डिवाइड कर देंगे 4 से. 4 2s are 8, so 1 question 2 and remainder 1/4. Again understand. Now similarly 7 2s are 14/3. We can divide also. 3 4s are 12, 14 minus 12, 2. So the quotient is this and remainder 2/3. 2/3 is the answer. Now rest of the parts do yourself class. Now students word problem. Rajat ate 2/3 of pizza. Mary ने कितना खाया? 1/4 of pizza. Who ate more pizza and by how much? Pizza eaten by Rajat 2/3. Pizza eaten by Mary 1/4. Now to compare 2/3, 1/4, we convert them into like fraction. Means like fraction means जिनका denominator same और उनका denominator हमें क्या करना होगा? Same करना होगा. So it will become 8/12 and 3/12. हमने क्या किया? उनका LCM लिया. 3 4s are 12. So 8/12 or 3/12. So Rajat ate more pizza. Okay, because 8 is greater than 3. Now also 2/3 minus 1/4 is equal to 8/12 minus 3/12 means 8 minus 3 is equal to 5/12. मतलब उसने इतना ज्यादा पिज्जा खाया than Mary. Thus Rajat ate 5/12 of the pizza more than Mary. Okay. Now example number 2. A book weight कितना है? 2/3 kg of the total weight of 5 such books. Now weight of one book 2/5 kg, weight of 5 books 5 into 2/3 kg, 5 into 2/3 kg, 10/3 kg. So it is 3 1/3. हमने क्या किया? उसको डिवाइड कर दिया. Thus the total weight of 5 book is 3 1/3 kg. Now students, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.